Ay, sa likod na lang po ako. Ay, ito na kaya ako na. Si Randy.
Riri, where are you going?
Yung kaning bag.
Nasaan na yung ano yung
So,
Nagkatunuhan yung bag mo.
SM.
sa SM.
준비 완료. 출발합시다. 800m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Japanese ba yung driver natin?
Ha?
Japanese.
Sino?
Yung driver natin. Japan? Hapon kaya?
응? 한국 사람이에요. 한국 사람. 한국 사람. Korean.
Korean?
Korean?
Yuri Korean?
Yeah, Korean.
Kaya dito ba nakita mo, Randy? Kaya tinanong mo.
Yeah, you first time encountered Korean driver?
Yeah.
Only
Ayaw kila Alvin.
follow the ways.
Waze. How long you're doing this job?
전방에
1 year?
신호 위반
One year?
카메라가 있습니다.
But the problem here,
Oh.
too many cars. A lot of cars here.
Traffic.
Yeah, traffic, very bad traffic there. But
Your family is here?
yeah, in Korea.
Where?
Korea.
Korea.
We're going SM. SM.
SM.
SM, yeah. Very hot, so you need to go for cold, yeah? SM, cold.
Yeah.
Very hot here outside.
Yeah.
I'm planning to build a business here. I'm planning to build a business here.
You're planning?
Yeah, I'm planning to build business here.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
What business you making?
Pogo?
Pogo?
Oh yeah, Pogo. Why?
Pogo now close, no? Pogo are all close.
Pogo close?
Yeah.
Why?
How? Government close, no? You're pretending you don't know?
Pogo. Me Pogo.
Pogo. Pogo.
Yeah, it's Pogo.
Pugo. Not Pogo. Pugo.
Pinalo nito.
Dala mo.
You're a joker, ha?
This is Quilleg.
Quilleg.
Yeah.
That one good.
Yeah, good. This one is good.
Yeah.
You said Pogo. What is the close Pogo? What kind of?
That is
bird.
the Chinese
Bird.
baka sisiw. Pogo. Hindi, baka yung other one is sisiw.
Hindi.
Other one chicken 45 days. Hindi, sinasabi niya yung yung Pogo na Chinese na
It's a gambling
business here.
Oh, gambling.
Yeah.
I'm happy living here. Filipino very mabait tao.
You have wife here? You have your marriage here?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea.
In North Purview. I live in North Purview. There. Yeah.
Quezon City.
Are you the one from the TikTok or the one in the
TikTok. You're
TikTok?
doing TikTok?
No, TikTok.
Huh?
Why?
Facebook, I saw someone driving a Korean with the passengers with the student.
Oh, really?
Yes.
We are 5 Koreans driver here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 5 Koreans driver here. And the one is my best friend, Jongsu. Yeah, Jongsu. His name is Jongsu. My friend.
Uh-huh.
Also driver here, Jongsu. And his last name is Pot. Yeah. So it's Jongsu. Last name is Pot. Yeah. You still working?
Me?
Yeah, working.
No.
Oh.
Retired.
Retired?
Yeah.
What is your work before?
Abroad.
Oh.
Dubai.
Oh, Middle East.
Middle East.
I live also in Qatar before. Qatar.
No.
You work in Qatar before?
Live in Qatar. Qatar man. Qatarman.
Qatarman. That year in the Philippines, Qatarman.
In summer.
Oh, summer.
I live there.
You're really a joker.
I adopt joking here. I have been a Filipino friend here. Yeah, joking. Comedy people. Yeah, how old are you?
78.
Ooh, 78?
Huh?
It's like 77.
No, you know, I will double that.
Oh, yeah. But still strong. Good. 그런데, what is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Eddie.
Eddie. Yeah. 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
What's your name?
Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Who?
Hoon.
Hoon.
That's my last name, Hoon.
Uh-huh.
My first name is Sutang.
Sutang Hun.
Sutang Hoon.
Sutang Hun.
In Korea, Hun Sutang.
Hun Sutang.
Yeah, Hun Sutang in Korea.
But now you are in Philippines now, Sutang Hun.
Yeah.
Ayaw wala si Iliana.
Why you don't know how to speak little Tagalog? Huh?
Salama po.
Nachol?
Kana?
Kanan.
Kaliwa.
Oh, yeah.
직진하세요. Go
Straight.
Yeah. Is it goes? Derecho?
Yeah, diretso.
Derecho. Yeah.
How come you choose to work here?
Yeah, driving while looking establishment for my business.
Your business.
That's why I'm driving here and still looking around here.
1 year already, still looking?
Yeah. I've been in Makati. Very expensive there. Very expensive there. I think here, I hope you can find here. Yeah, we're near. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. 반갑습니다.
Mr. Hun.
Yeah.
How much?
It's only 122 lang po, sir eh.
You're really
Niloko tayo itong driver na ito.
But, pero kung yung mga yung banton ng language niya, akala mo,
Mananiwala kayo, sir?
Oo.
Si Sir Roy, bubuko ako ni Sir Roy. Sabi na panood niya ako sa TikTok.
Ay, ikaw talaga yun?
Opo, ako po yun.
Ay, sus naman. Bakit nakaano na yan? May ganyan ka.
Ano pang Pang-prank lang, pang-props lang yan. So wait lang po, ako po ay isang content creator.
Nakaano kami, record kami.
So okay lang po ba isama ko kayo sa content?
Oo, walang problema.
Ayan, baka may shoutout kayo, sir. Ayan, camera natin. Pugo, sir, oh.
Pugo.
Yan, baka may shoutout kayo, sir.
Open mo.
Yan.
Open.
Oy, may TikTok si sir?
J or J.
Oy, may TikTok. Ano, wala YouTube channel o Facebook? Wala. Facebook. Bibigyan ko yun ng sticker, sir. So, search niyo ako sa YouTube, sa Facebook.
Nadonggoy ako nito.
Sige.
Ay, actually, sir, pag meron akong naipaprank, it's a free ride. Yes. Okay lang po yun, sir.
Natuwa ako sa ito.
Sa YouTube,
Saan ba, paano kita ipapalo,
Si-search mo ako, sir,
Don
Don Bertos
Bertos
TV.
TV.
Sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube.
Magko-comment agad ako ha.
Yan!
Kami yung pasahero mo ha.
Sige, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Salamat po.
Good luck po
Ingat
sa
po.
pagbablog ha.
Yes.
Thank you. Hindi nga ako yan.
Wala na po, ma'am. Okay na po.
Nadali mo talaga ako.
Tayo pala naging subscriber na.
Yes, sir.
Thank you ha.
Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat.
Sir, thank you, sir, ha. Ingat po. Dali. Yes, nakalusot tayo, guys. Muntik na ako dun kay sir sa likod, ha.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Bertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad.